Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Domo INC, and this is one of those charts where it has probably rebound all that it has corrected in the past couple of months. And if you can check the bounce back of this stock, actually it's a rebound. So from its lows, it has already rebounded 518%, which is nothing but the previous high which the stock has made in the year 2019, and currently it has 426% higher from its lows. So anyhow, if you look at this chart, so this is one of those strong charts which has performed very well. So, and if you look at this chart, so the very important and interesting thing which you can find here is this, that it has touched its previous resistance, and right now it has fallen from its previous resistance, which is 46 or 47 odd dollars, but the fall from its resistance level or peak level is not as big, so that we can call it as a correction, or that it has uh, fallen back from its resistance level and all that thing. So if you look at this stock movement, so the stock has risen 4 or 5 times from its low, so it's natural to have some sort of correction. But if you have good and decent correction and consolidation within a range, so there is a very high possibility, or a probability is very high, that the breakout is very much near. So we are going to talk about that the probability in this particular script of breaking out is indeed very high. So I'll take both the scenarios into consideration, because when I'm saying that it has a probability to go high, so we cannot neglect the probability to go down as well. So anyhow, currently the chart analysis is such that we have to know the important support and resistance level from this particular trend, and then we are going to talk about the upcoming trend or the probable expected trend which we can see in the days or in the months to come. Okay, so right now we have a data of probably 2 years, since 2018 to 2020. So it's a weekly chart, so you can get a sense of intermediate trend. Here you have your resistance, big resistance at 47 odd dollars. Okay, so this is your resistance which you need to aware of, and your big support will come at $7.72, which was its current low, and the stock has made it low in March 2020. And your current support or immediate support will come at around 38.84. Then you have your next support at 29.9, then 27.43, and below that you have your major support at 14.95. So these are your important support levels which you need to know first. It is not about whether the stock will go down or not, but you should know about the trend, where the current price of the script lies. Okay, so one thing, that if the stock goes below 27, then it would be a problem, because then it will show that a trend on the downside, or probably it has made its high and it will again fall down till 14 or 15 odd dollars. So this is what you need to know. Okay, so till 27, till this level, it is fine to have correction, consolidation, all those things, but below this level there will be a big slide down, in a trading sense, not in terms of like the stock will go into the bear market and all. So that is the first thing that you need to take into consideration. On the upper side of the range, if the stock does make a breakout, for that the first thing you should understand that the stock must sustain above $48. So first it has to make a breakout, then it has to sustain above the breakout level, and if it does that, then our next probable target will be will be the length of the previous trend, which is 290 odd percent, and it stands at 150 odd dollars. So you can consider your next target in between 140 to 160. So I am taking the mid range of that. Okay, and understand this, what I am saying is a big trend which will probably take a couple of years. Okay, so I want to be on the safer side, and that is how the stock should run. That if the stock takes 2 or 3 years to make 200 or 300% of the upside, that is fine. Okay, but the stock, like in this scenario, has already given you 400, 500 odd percentage of returns in a couple of months. Okay, so that is anyhow phenomenal, but that increases the probability of a short term trend down. So that is also one thing which you need or take into consideration. Okay, so first thing, you need to look at your support levels and where the important support levels lies. And second thing, if a breakout happens with a condition that I have already told you, then the stock can probably move towards 150 odd dollars in couple of months or probably in couple of years to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.